Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, October the 11th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for our free room. It is free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. And I open the room at 9 o'clock every day not every day, not Saturdays and Sundays. Every morning, 9 o'clock Eastern, and I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. And I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only of a Trade Ideas subscription or the entire year. Well, again, I mean, a couple of really interesting stocks today, but other than that, I mean, not a lot, again, happening. However, just to let you know, this week we had less than 40 companies releasing earnings. Next week, we've got something like 260. So it's starting. Next week it starts. The week after, it'll be probably more like 800. And the week after, we'll start getting, weeks of 1,000. So definitely we'll get more action. And things like this. This is not an earnings play, but this is typically what we'll see on certain of the earnings plays. The continuation. This is what we want to see. This is continuation. Again, this is not an earnings play, all right? Yandex was it's the Russian search engine. Let me just the Russian internet search engine. And anyway, Russian government making sounds that emails are going to be monitored, things like that. I can't remember the exact wording, but anyway, this really caused Yandex to crash, and it came in. I didn't get it up here. I don't like to chase things, but it did come in on my watch list at 31.11. So it was right here. Sorry, right up here. And I ended up taking that trade just underneath the 30 mark. And what a trade that was. And a lot of people were in the room. Okay, and I had to trade it out in and out a few times. I'm not in it anymore. It actually looks like it wants to bounce after that 2-bar pullback. So that was the big one. This one, unfortunately, went down too quickly. I couldn't get it. 24.77 was the alert, and it got down to 20.24. And, that was really about it. I am in this one, this SSI. Didn't get in at 225. I'm in right here at 235. This has a lot of room if it wants to. Well, it has room to $3 anyway. We'll see. But I'm sorry, I'm out of it. That's right. I just got out of it. Was in at 234, got out at 237. Just didn't quite like the way it was trading. Thought it looked like it was going to have a tough time getting through that 250. I did take the cars earlier, and it just really didn't do very much. I took it at 10.10. And I got out, I think, at 10.14. Nothing. It just didn't move. Meanwhile, the market was doing this. I mean, the market's up right now, 350. A little bit of a pullback here. All the excitement, maybe a China deal, and then right here, somebody said, "Oh, the guy from China walked out or has left." So who knows? I mean, guys, we're sort of, the market is beholden to what's happening with China and tariffs, etc. So anyway. Okay, sorry about that. My watch is talking to me. So anyway, the cars it just didn't move. Maybe it was that simple. It didn't move. This one I am going to continue to watch. OG. If you have to look at it on the weekly chart, you can see a lot of room. It's a cannabis play. Jeffrey's actually had a little upgrade on it yesterday or today. And if you look at it on the 15-minute chart, I'm sorry, look at it on the daily chart. You'll see why it made my list. Maybe I made my list because I thought it might continue down. Okay, so anyway, it's had a pop. So we'll see what happens. I mean, these cannabis plays are still. Somebody said that Mexico has legalized it. I don't know. I mean, these cannabis plays are just terrible. I mean, look at MJ. Here's the index. I mean, good grief. I mean, look at this. It's even worse. I mean, look at it on put on a monthly chart. It hit all the way up here, 45, and it's just, the last few months, just down, cannot get any traction. So anyway, that's about it. I next week though there are some earnings plays. As I say, there'll be about 260 of them. A few of the big banks. I think Wells Fargo. I think Goldman, and American Alcoa. Also, not a bank, but Alcoa, which to me kicks off earnings season. So should start to get a little more exciting. Well, we should start to see more plays that have more continuation, and that's really what I'm looking for. All right, everybody, you want to get back into the room, and let's see, I'm going to close everything down. End of a long week. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I hope to see you in our trading room on Monday morning. I'll open the room at 9 o'clock. So hope to see you there. Bye-bye.